So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to insert a specific chart, in this case, a column chart here in Microsoft Word. So the first thing you have to do is open up a Word document, then go to the top left and press on the insert tab right here, and then go to where it says chart right here, press on the drop down. Now, as you can tell, the first option right below is a column chart where you have a whole bunch of different options here. You can select a 2D column chart if you want. You can select a 3D column chart. You can also select a 2D bar chart if you want. So you can go ahead and press whatever one you want. So for example, if we were to go ahead and press on this option right here of a 3D column chart, it's actually going to take me over to an Excel spreadsheet where you can then input your data. So what I'll do here is select this option right here and then fast forward to the Excel spreadsheet where the data will be inserted. So as mentioned, we are now on an Excel spreadsheet where the data from here will be then inputted and actually created into a visual chart here on our Word document. So as you guys can tell right here, I'll just make it a little bit larger. We do have our series, we have our categories right here for the charts. If you wanted to change this, for example, everything to 5, this would make the chart look the exact same, I believe, with all 3 levels. What this data does right here is it actually takes it from Excel and then automatically inputs it into a Word document. So once that is done, I have my data right here. I will then go to the Word document where our chart will be visualized. So now we are back at our column chart, and as you can tell, as I just basically told you guys, the data all looks the exact same because we put in the exact same amount of numbers. So we have our chart right here. You can change the title, you can change the colors, you can make it larger, make it smaller. So if you wanted to maybe change it right here to this graphic, you can go to the colors right here and change it to a different color scheme. Whatever the case may be, it is completely up to you now on how you want to customize your chart. But pretty straightforward, pretty simple. This is how to insert a column chart into your document on Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.